Hello guys. Hello everyone. Today I'm so excited to unbox and review the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. The little camera that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. Let's go through what's on the box. Test it out and see if it lives up on the hype. Let's get into it. Alright, let's crack this open. The package feel premium, sturdy box, and well packed. Inside we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So we also have inside we have the extended battery. So in the endo grip. Inside also we have the DJI Mic accessory, and we have the wide angle lens, and we have the protective magnetic case, and we have a USB-C cable, and we have some manual. So let's power it on. So we can show that the gimbal went up quickly. So we can see that the touch screen is responsive and clear. So the menu is familiar, like the DJI you used before is the same menu. So what can I say? So I think it's like is but I think it's intuitive even for new user. It's like simple. So the next we're gonna connect the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to our PC and download the DJI app on DJI website. So I will show you how to connect the DJI Osmos in your Zoom. Your PC has a webcam. So let's check it out. That's my unboxing and review of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. If you are looking for a powerful or compact camera for vlogging, for doing some video stuff, it's definitely worth. So if you want, I can also make a tip or trick video, also connect with PC or to edit some video. So let's go to my channel, Woody Pove. So subscribe and you will see a whole video I made about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so the creator combo. I will show you how to use it, how to connect it with your PC, how to manage your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So everyone, please subscribe to our channel. to see more videos. I love you guys.